Hey everybody, it's me, Ivy. Whew, I can't stand this heat. Sorry. Anyways, I'm gonna suffer because I have my window shut because there's so much noise and distractions. I want you guys to hear me. I turn my fan on that is in front of me. I want to turn it on so bad, but I have the one behind me on. Anyways, today I'm gonna do my Birchbox. I was gonna do it yesterday, but the heat just knocked me out, and I had no energy, and I was super tired because my um, boss called me and asked if I want to, help a little bit. So next week I'm helping out a little bit. So I'm, you know, trying to see how it is. Um, and I will be careful. I will be careful. Anyways, let's get started. Pretty. My favorite purple. I like the pink too. It's very pretty. Anyways, on here it says right here. This month we challenge you to spend extra 2 minutes applying low body lotion after a shower. We know it's easy to skip other over that step, and I think they misread saying that. But your hands, knees, elbows need some love too. So that's what it says, just in case you want to know. So that's a good challenge. I only got 6 today, which is kind of sad. Pink tissue paper. They, I'm very confused on. Sometimes they put in the foam thingy and now they don't. It's like, okay. Alright. Excuse me. Alright, so first thing is this cleanser. I need to learn learn more about what it does because it doesn't tell me very much about it. That you can use it for your hair and body. Um, I opened this yesterday. It's like right here. I'm like, you could have filled it all the way up. So not very much product. It should be all filled, but they only filled it, half so way. I'm like, anyways, um, so the full size of this is $30. Pricey. But I'm gonna try this out and should let you guys know what it really does because I'm very confused on what it cleanse. Does it help the skin or that kind of stuff? Anyways, on to the next is this really cool like coral pink color. It's a tinted peach pink balm. Full size is $8. You can use this on your lips and cheek. It just gives a nice color. I okay, so it's like this, and you can tell there's some there, but I have to like squeeze really hard. I'm like, are you sure there's product in here? Cause I squeeze, and this tube, it's like this. I squeeze, and it's like squeeze. Oh, now it's coming out. Oh, you had a hard time yesterday. Anyways, I squeezed it so much, and I try not to squeeze so hard to go all over, but it didn't. Anyways, so it finally came out, and it's a nice color. It's just, I think because of the heat or whatever, so it was not coming out. Anyway, so that's that. Alright, then I have this Floss Beauty, another thing from Floss Beauty. So I have this eyeshadow, my everyday eyeshadow in Tokyo. And I swear this packaging and everything, what I'm going to show you, looks like exactly like ColourPop's packaging for the single eyeshadows. Does it not look like ColourPop's, dupe. It's like they're copying. Like, dang. It's a little bit bigger than ColourPop's eyeshadow packaging, but it's just the whole idea. I'm like, this looks like ColourPop's packaging for their single eyeshadows. But it's very pretty color. I really like it. Alright. Two more things. Next is this big green woo, Big Apple Sunscreen or sun cream, but it's also sunscreen. Oh, and for this full size of this is 16. Sorry, I forgot that. Anyways, this is oil free PF 50. It's a color. It also has color correcting base. Apple water extract to calming the skin, so you can put it on your skin and then makeup, or just put it on and you're good to go. It's also minimize pores and smooth a canvas so you can put your makeup on. So that's what that is. Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh, also I forgot to show you, this is also vegan and cruelty free right there. The other ones I don't know. But yeah, this is made in Korea. So it's the new Korea brand, like I had the hair thing that I gave to my mom that I don't need. Alright, last thing. So I was like, why do I need another eyeshadow brush? I already got one. And it's the same one from this brand. And I'll show you the difference. Sorry, I'm going to have things. That and try not to show my underarms because I thoroughly did shave them. So, TMI, don't care. Alright, so I got this one from my other box, and I got this one, same brand. This one's smaller. This one is a smaller shader brush. This one here is the precision brush. So let's open this guy up if I can. Where? Anyways, so yeah. This one is full size. Oh, did I say this is full size is 24. I don't know if I said that. This guy is for fuller size. This is actually full size, of course. Don't know why I'm laughing. That was really weird. It's 15. So cool. I have different brushes. That's cool. I need some new eyeshadow brushes. Anyways, this one right here is a thin round tip for applying like in a corner or so, especially doing that, and blends and stuff. I like the brush. It's really nice and fluffy and soft. The color's really weird. That's the way the different colors. Alright. Oh, don't mind my fat arm. That was really awkward angle. I'm so sorry. Anyways, that's what I got. I hope you guys like what I got from my Birchbox for this month. I'm sweating right now. My body and this heat do not mix. Anyways, I'll stop complaining. I love you guys. Be safe. Stay cool. I can't talk. I'm already sweaty right here. Yay. Okay, bye.